Imagine unlocking a future where your financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reality. That's what mastering gold trading has done for me, and I'm here to guide you on how to achieve the same. Before I discovered the power of trading gold, my life was much like anyone else's, yearning for a breakthrough, looking for a path to financial independence. Through trading, my world transformed. I went from dreaming about these experiences to living them, all thanks to the strategies I learned and applied in Forex trading, specifically with gold. If you're new to Forex trading, you might wonder how it's possible. It all starts with understanding the fundamentals, how global events affect markets, and how you can use this information to make informed trades. Gold is more than just a precious metal. It's a market with patterns and opportunities. I've designed a course that breaks down these complexities into simple, actionable strategies. This course isn't just a collection of lessons, it's a blueprint. It's a step-by-step guide that I wish I had when I started. It's tailored for beginners, focusing on the essentials of trading gold using fundamental analysis. You'll learn how to read economic indicators, understand market sentiment, and even predict potential market movements. These are the keys to not just trading, but trading successfully. From live trade breakdowns to exclusive insights into gold trading strategies, this course covers it all. And just take a look at the reviews we've gotten so far. Hearing from those who've already started their journey with this course, seeing their confidence grow and their trades improve is incredibly rewarding. They are proof that with the right guidance, success is within reach. Imagine trading not just as a hobby, but as a viable path to achieving your dreams. Whether it's traveling to places you've always wanted to visit, enjoying the finer things in life, or simply gaining financial security, this is about more than just trading gold. It's about unlocking a new way of life. With every lesson, you'll be one step closer to your goals, equipped with the knowledge to make strategic trades confidently. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Enroll in the course today and take the first step towards a future filled with possibilities. Exclusive access, bonus content, and a supportive community await. Let's make your trading dreams a reality. Every journey begins with a single step. This is yours. I've made the path clear and achievable. Now, it's your turn to walk it. Join me and let's unlock the potential together. Click the link in the description below to enroll in our course. Thank you for considering this opportunity to change your life. For more insights and updates, follow us on social media. Stay informed, stay inspired, and above all, start your journey to success today. See you on the inside.